Hello and welcome to the show. I'm Puneet Wadhwa, and today we have with us Ajit Mishra, Senior Vice President for Technical Research at Religare Stock Broking. Hello, Ajit, and welcome.
Thank you, Puneet. Thank you for having me.
The Nifty hit 20,000 mark for the first time ever on Monday. So, how does the index look on the technical charts now, and can the rally take a breather?
So yes, Puneet, after this corrective phase for nearly 5 weeks, the last 3 weeks, we have reclaimed those levels. So it's roughly around 1.5 month kind of correction that Nifty has negated completely, and now we are at the record highs again. So the journey is going to be positive from here on, also taking clues from the sectors which have not participated yet. So first of all, the best part is that now almost all the sectors are pitching in when it comes to the contribution to the rebound or rally. And banking, still we have a room of roughly around 800, 900 points, which is away from its record high. That can further fuel the momentum in our markets. But yes, in between, there's a possibility, since it was the 7th consecutive session that we were seeing the market inching higher. There could be an intermediate breather or consolidation in between. But broadly, we are eyeing 20,300 in the near future.
So, which sectors and stocks, according to you, will trigger the next up move for the markets from here on out? And which ones can actually pull down the Sensex and the Nifty from here?
So yes, so broadly, as I've said, almost all the sectors are participating in rotational basis. Defensives are slightly on the back foot, like FMCG, pharma, we are seeing only selective participation. Rest of the sectors, be it reality, metals, auto, they all are contributing. And now banking, which was sitting on the sidelines, has started contributing from the last week itself. So we believe that banking is going to play a critical role. Alongside with that, some of the index majors like ITC and Reliance, which were sitting on the sidelines, they might also participate and help the index to inch higher.
PSU Banks, Ajit, have actually done quite well in the past 2-3 days. So, what's triggering the up move and will it last?
So, Puneet, we had this kind of underperformance of a long consolidation in the PSU Bank, the entire basket. If you exclude a couple of names like SBI, which was trading around the record highs, rest of the stocks were struggling. So with a breakout in the PSU banking index, we are now seeing that participation has broadened. And but still, we would feel that the top of the names like SBI, Bank of Baroda, Canada Bank, Indian Bank, PNB, these are some of the names which one should look at even at the current levels. But yes, in short term, as I've said, that there could be a possibility that after this recent outperformance, there could be some consolidation.
Another segment that has done well in calendar year 23 is the mid and small caps. Do they look overheated on the charts? And are there any sectors and stocks within the mid cap and the small cap basket that you like?
So yes, we are in the 6th consecutive month of up move when it comes to the broader indices. And in fact, it has been outperforming the market, the benchmark from last several months. So, both mid cap and small cap are trading at the record highs. We have seen almost a phenomenal surge. But still, in the last couple of sessions, we have started seeing fresh momentum. Earlier, it was a kind of like sign that there could be a bit of a profit taking or exhaustion, but that has negated, in fact, in the last couple of sessions. So that indicates that this, positive tone is here to stay. But yes, since it's 6th consecutive month of rise, there's a possibility that we might see some consolidation or profit taking in the near future. So keeping that in mind, it's very important to maintain stock-specific approach and look for the stocks which have not participated yet, or looking for the fresh breakout. So in the mid-cap basket, AB Capital, there is Aditya Birla Capital, Jubilant Food, LIC Housing Finance, Petronet, Voltas. These are some of the names which are still look upbeat for fresh up move momentum. And from the small cap space, one can look at CAMS, Kenfin Homes, EID Perry, Karur Vysya Bank, KRBL, and UTI AMC.
Any picks from the public sector enterprises space?
So yes, in fact, that space have also made very strong up move. The index is trading at record highs. We feel that OMCs after this recent profit taking phase can be a candidate of recovery. So IOC from the OMC basket, then IRCTC, like after a decent corrective phase, we are seeing reversal in IRCTC. Alongside with that, ONGC, after almost 6 years of consolidation, we have seen a fresh breakout in ONGC at the record highs. And lastly on the list, Power Grid.
What are your top contrarian bets at the current level?
So contrarian best is that Reliance Industries, it didn't participate in the entire move yet. So in case if somebody is looking to accumulate, then Reliance Industries from the index major, HDFC Bank from the banking space, wherein one can look at for fresh buying despite the underperformance. So these are the top 2 names which one can look at the current levels. As a disclosure and disclaimer, I'm personally not holding any of these stocks, but our clients may have position.
Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
He's making plans for an early retirement. Business Standard.